Buongiorno, ciao tutti. My Italian is very limited. So anyway, all this is to tell you that today we're gonna make an Italian recipe. It's called a sabayon or zabaglione in Italian, and it comes from northern Italy. It's a very light and fluffy sort of custard that is usually eaten over fruit, cooked fruit. You can even indulge it over champagne. So what it takes to make the recipe, it's really simple ingredients. We have yolk, we have sugar, we have white wine, and a bit of rum at the end, butter, and peaches. So we are at the end of peaches season. And again, you know, there are those beautiful organic California peaches. I love them. So let's bake. Okay, so now I'm gonna saute my peaches. I'm gonna melt the butter in my pan at low heat so it doesn't cook too much. I'm gonna cook them until they're tender, soft, and basically a little colored. One secret of baking fruit is extremely high heat, so they don't shrink, you know, they don't release any water. They like surprise. So here we go. You don't want the peaches to like release water and become puree. You want to keep them whole and pretty. So very high heat always. They're gonna have that little buttery, almost candied taste to it, and it will be beautiful with the sabayon. So now I'm gonna prepare the custard. So I'm gonna beat together yolk and sugar. We're gonna do it very airy and light, so a lot of beating is required. I want it very light and fluffy because in order to have the perfect consistency, it needs to double in size. So I'm gonna try to incorporate as much air as I can right now. Now I'm gonna put this over simmering water as a bain-marie, and I'm gonna add wine to it, and using my hand, I'm gonna beat it. It has to be white all the time. So now I'm gonna add white wine. It's still beating. As you can see, it's thickening. It has the right consistency. Now I'm gonna transfer this over here and add a bit of rum, and that's it. Ready? So it's ready. So now I'm gonna let it cool for a bit and then transfer it over my peaches, and let's serve. So now my peaches are ready, my sabayon has cooled off. I'm gonna arrange the whole thing in a beautiful plate. So I like to do it with my finger because, I don't know, I like to feel the texture, and I feel like I control more the shape. So using a small ladle, I am going to pour my sabayon over my fruit. And it doesn't need to be fully filled up. And now I'm gonna finish with edible flowers on top, just to give that Mediterranean, sunny, fabulous feel to it. Bon appétit. Thank you so much for watching me today. I am dropping a new video every Thursday at 6 p.m. Enjoy, have fun. Avanti.